Thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have a package from Nail Shack. Love the packaging. As I just opened the package, let me tell you about Nail Shack. Deanna from Nail Shack kindly sends this to me each month to share with all of you and try myself. They can be found on Cratejoy. I'm not sure if they're anywhere else. I'll have to look at the paper. I think it's just Cratejoy right now. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So maybe I'll have to look into that. If there is, I will post it in the description box. But I know you can find them on Cratejoy. Adult pack is $9.95. Kids pack, oh, I'm getting the bubble, $8.75. Your Nail Shack bag includes 4 full sets of nails, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file. Ships worldwide from the US. Enjoy salon quality nails at home. New designs each month. No drying time. Easy application. If you like the nails that you see on her Instagram, she will do her best to see if you can get one of them or several of them in your bag. I guess she's keeping track of that. She's sharing so much each month. So thank you, Deanna, for sending this to me once again. I do enjoy it. You always get a little card with your how to apply, remove, tips and tricks. Available on Cratejoy, all that. This comes in every single bag, which I appreciate that. If you don't know how to put them on, that's good. This is what the pack always looks like. It always comes in a cute little bag. Whoops. And this is the cuticle pusher this month, cute yellow. And then we have a pink nail file on one side and a glitter, like a tealy green on the other, which is nice. Keep them in the bag. And let me check the sets. I think I've received this one before. I'm not sure though if I have. Maybe I'll do it this way. Looks very similar, but I'm not sure. That's adorable. Well, this is cute for the spring. Oh, these next two are adorable for spring. Nice. Look how cute this one is. And then these must be the newer like gel strips. And I think I did like these on the YouTube, on her Instagram. I thought these were cute. I thought these would be great for the spring, summer. And they look like they would fit, like several of them would fit. That one fit, that will fit. I might try this out because I do need to redo my nails. So I'm happy to have these as always. I so appreciate that she sends them to me. I have shared these in giveaways. I've done, I think now 2 or 3 giveaways to like 3-4 people, you know, save some up, save the bags, ship them out in her bag. This way you know what it is when you get it, and this way you guys can try them. And I do have some, I think, from last month, and I'll probably save a few from this month. And, you know, I'll try to do that again after a couple months, maybe another month or 2. I'll have some. I do my best to save these because then I can just put a label over her label and mail it out to you. So I'll try probably in a couple months to do another giveaway with those. Like I said, thank you, Deanna. This is greatly appreciated. And I know a lot of you have been interested in this. So if you are, you know, go take a look, especially follow her on Nail Shack. It's DIY Nail Shack. I'll leave, you know, her Instagram down below. I think it already is in my description box permanently. This way you can just go follow the styles, and if you like them and you're a subscriber, like I know I like these on her Instagram as a plain set. I like several, but that was one of them, so I'm happy to have that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome in to all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate it. And of course, welcome back to all my current subscribers. And I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.